Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to crochet this flower bookmark. This is a beginner friendly project, so don't worry if you're just starting out. I'm going to be walking you through every single stitch as we go. All you're going to need for this project is some worsted weight acrylic yarn, a 3mm crochet hook, a tapestry needle, and a pair of scissors. So let's go ahead and dive right in. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is make a magic ring. To do that, I'm going to wrap the yarn around my fingers like this. Then I'm taking my hook in this way and bringing it under the first strand of yarn. Then I'm pulling it through and grabbing the other strand of yarn. I pull it through just like this, and my ring is ready. I'm going to make one chain into the magic ring. I'm going to crochet a total of 5 single crochets. And my single crochets are ready. I'm going to go ahead and tighten the ring. Then I'm inserting my hook into the first single crochet I made and joining. Now I'm going to make 3 chains. I'm going to yarn over the hook twice and crochet a triple crochet. Then I'm making 1 chain. I'm inserting my hook into this same spot and making a slip stitch. I'm gonna yarn over the hook twice again. I'm inserting my hook into the stitch directly below and I'm crocheting another triple crochet. I'm making 1 chain. Again, I'm inserting my hook into the same spot and joining with a slip stitch. Into the same place, I'm gonna crochet 1 more triple crochet. I'm making 3 chains and I'm slip stitching into the next chain. And the first petal of my flower is ready. Again, 3 chains. One triple crochet into the exact same place. 1 chain, and I'm making a slip stitch into the same spot. Again, 1 triple crochet into the same place. 1 chain and another slip stitch. I'm crocheting 1 triple crochet. I'm making 3 chains and I'm slip stitching into the next chain. In this way, I'm going to continue crocheting the remaining petals of my flower until I reach this point. And I have completed all the petals of my flower, just like this. I'm making one chain and cutting the yarn. On the back of the flower, I'm going to tie the remaining short yarn ends together. Then I'm gonna go ahead and cut off the remaining yarn ends. Now let's go ahead and color the center of the flower with embroidery. I'm gonna use a yarn in this color. I've gone ahead and threaded my needle with the yarn. I'm bringing my needle up through the center of the magic ring. I'm leaving a short tail of yarn and holding it. Then I'm inserting my needle down through this part of the stitch right here. And this creates a line just like this. Again, I'm bringing my needle up from the back through the center of the magic ring. I'm laying it over like this. Again, I'm bringing it up through the center of the magic ring. I'm inserting it through this part of the next petal. And in this way, we're going to continue stitching across all the petals. I've reached the end, and now I'm going to go ahead and secure the yarn on the back of the flower. I'm cutting it and tying the two remaining short yarn ends together. Then I'm cutting the remaining yarn ends, and this part of our flower is ready. Now let's go ahead and move on to crocheting the tail section of the bookmark. I'm going to use a yarn like this. Again, I'm making a magic ring. I'm making one chain. Into the magic ring, I'm gonna crochet 6 single crochets. And my 6 single crochets are ready. I'm going to go ahead and tighten the ring. Then I'm joining by inserting my hook into the first single crochet I made. I'm going to make chains, and I'm going to continue making chains until I have a total of 60 chains. I've completed my 60 chains and I'm cutting the yarn, leaving a slightly longer tail. I'm pulling the loop through, just like this. I'm threading the yarn through a needle. I'm securing this yarn to the back of my flower. I'm cutting the remaining yarn. And the bookmark is ready. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. Go ahead and let me know in the comments how your project turned out and subscribe if you're not already. And I will see you in the next video.